Of the twin Voyager spacecraft, Voyager 1 is the one we tend to hear most often about in the news. Nearly 12 million miles from the Earth, it's deep into interplanetary space, though it hasn't yet left the solar system. Its twin, Voyager 2, meanwhile, is only about 9.8 million miles from the Earth, and it still hasn't reached interplanetary space. But it was the first of the twin spacecraft to launch, and it flew, arguably, a much more interesting mission. Voyager 2 launched on August 20th, 1977, on a trajectory that gave mission planners a lot of freedom. It was always on a path to Jupiter and Saturn, because exploring these two gas giants was its primary mission. Voyager 2 made its closest pass by Jupiter on July 9th, 1979, where it imaged some of the planet's Galilean moons in stunning detail. Then it moved on to Saturn, imaging the ringed planet with the most sensitive cameras of the day. After its close pass by Saturn in August of 1981, Voyager 2 didn't leave the plane of the planets like its twin did. Voyager 2 set off on a path that would take it by Uranus and Neptune. The spacecraft made its closest approach to Uranus on January 24th of 1986, flying within 50,600 miles of the planet's cloudy upper layer. It found 10 previously unseen moons and saw Uranus's ring system in incredible detail. It also gathered data that scientists used to determine the planet's rotation, temperature, and magnetic field strength. When it turned to look at Uranus's moons, Voyager 2 found evidence of complex surface structures, suggesting active geologic pasts. After its encounter with Uranus, Voyager 2 went on to Neptune. It sent back the first color image of the full disk of Neptune in 1988, and actually flew closer to this planet than it did any other, passing within 3,000 miles of its north pole. During its encounter in 1989, Voyager 2 imaged Neptune's linear clouds, clouds that stretch up to 124 miles long and can be as tall as 31 miles. After leaving Neptune behind, Voyager 2 began its journey into interplanetary space. And now, 37 years after launch, Voyager 2 remains the only mission we've ever sent to explore Uranus and Neptune, and it all happened in space. Leave your questions and comments below, and don't forget to subscribe.